Is it like this or like this? No. Raqueta.
Coffee.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
We jump in any language.
Привет, дорогие подписчики Easy Russian.
Привет.
Где мы, Лена? Я потерялась.
Мы в Вене.
Мы в Вене. Что нас сюда привело? Вы не поверите, но наконец-то все языковые службы Easy Languages собрались вот прямо в этой комнате. В этом видео мы хотим показать, что читать кириллицу возможно, даже если ты никогда раньше до этого ее не видел.
У нас есть 4 группы слов, и наши дорогие коллеги попробуют прочитать слова из каждой из этих групп. Посмотрим, что из этого вышло.
Погнали?
Погнали.
Ну, прочти вслух, что написано.
Махера.
Будете вращать барабан?
Будем.
Which level do you want to start with?
I think the easiest one, please.
Good, it's easy Russian.
It's easy Russian.
Try to read it.
Atom.
Great.
The easiest one. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do that. Katok.
Yeah.
Katok.
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 Yeah.
What does it mean?
Have you any idea what can it be?
Katok.
It's not so easy, like it's not so common word, but
A carton, like a not paper but carton. Katok.
Karton, we actually also have this word
Oh,
karton.
really?
Yes, but it's not the same. It's a ring for, you know.
A ring?
A ring for ice skating. Katok.
Oh, okay. No, I would have never guessed that.
Yes, it's not so easy.
I will pick 3.
Alrighty, let's try.
Okay.
It's like tarot cards.
Oh yeah, exactly.
Let's show it to the camera. Guess.
So there are 3 letters that are exactly the same,
Yes.
like P-A-O. In
Okay.
And maybe a N.
I think it's
Yes.
it's not.
No?
So the N is like reverse. So maybe it's not N.
Oh, I don't know that letter. It's super weird.
The word is like a bit similar in English.
Actually, it sounds exactly the same.
We jump in any language.
I first need to tell you that I once studied some Bulgarian, so I know some Cyrillic.
Okay. Let's.
Spoiler alert.
Okay. Good.
But I don't know all the Russian Cyrillic letters. Okay, this.
Let's show the word.
Yes. Okay, this. It always gave me trouble understanding what it is. So does this letter like soften the
Yes.
consonant?
Yes.
So it's like film?
Yes. Yes.
Film?
You did really great. Yes,
Ah.
it's film. Yeah.
Nice.
It's film.
We have this sound in Greek.
Okay.
So it's easy
Good,
for me
good.
to.
Do you want to start one by one, like letter by letter?
Okay, so what looks like P,
A.
A, something I've never seen in my life, but could look like a R.
Okay, it's not.
It's like I can imagine.
Okay. This is, you guess, it's N?
I'm sure it's not N.
Okay. And then it's
O.
Oh, okay. So you're almost right. The thing is, guys, you have to remember, if you ever see this letter and you feel like it's P,
It's not.
it's R.
R.
It's like R. The softer it looks, the harder it sounds. So it actually sounds like radio.
Ah, so it's not an N.
No, it's E. Radio, but like radio. Can you try to
Okay.
pronounce it in Russian?
Say it again.
Radio.
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 That's like sexy. I like it.
Like Espanol. Spanish.
Español. It is a little bit. Если у вас есть свои способы изучения русского, пишите их в комментариях. И, кстати говоря, если вы зайдете в наш Инстаграм Easy Russian, то там будут видео behind the scenes. То, что вы не увидите на нашем Ютубе, но можете немножко подсмотреть в нашем Инстаграме.
I'm ready for the next level.
Okay. Please try it.
Oh my god, okay. Here we go. Oxpaja.
Okay.
Oxpaja.
Oxpaja.
Oxpaja. Is that okay?
No.
No.
What do you think could it be? No, it's not Oxpaja. It's охрана. Okay.
This is охрана.
Охрана. Okay.
Agrana. Okay.
What new letters do you see here?
I
What
see
letters are confusing?
the X
Yes.
is super
it's
weird.
H.
And why the O is like an A?
Because it's unstressed. The unstressed O is like an A.
And the P is an R.
Yes.
Okay.
When you see the P, it's R.
Agrana.
Achrana.
Agrana.
Yes. Great.
Okay.
Yeah, but yes, and also the N.
Oh, it's an A. Oh,
Yeah.
H is N. Okay.
H is N, but you did it good.
Oh,
Achrana.
Agrana.
Yeah.
And I think it means frog.
It's actually security.
Oh my God. Okay. I feel safer already.
Okay.
How many languages do you speak?
9.
Марио говорит на 9 языках, и русский не один из них.
Не говорю по-русски.
Хотя вообще-то это уже считается.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Давай.
Давай начнем.
I'll start from here.
So 3.
Yeah, 3.
Third one.
Is it like this or like this? No.
Let's show it to the camera. So like this or like this?
No, other
Other
way
side.
around. Yeah.
Like this?
I think like this. Yeah.
Okay, I
right?
think so too. So let's guess.
I just
Which one is this
I
one?
have no idea how to stress words, but I would say echo.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. Good. Congratulations. Марио меня обманул. Он точно говорит по-русски. I don't trust you don't speak Russian. You are.
Maybe I'm a
good.
spy.
We have, yes. Okay, the T is T. Mm-hmm. I'm guessing this is still an N.
Let's try.
In Tapa?
In Tapa? No.
Is that like an I?
No. The vocal one is this. It's
Ah,
not an
okay. Rotapa?
N. No, it's guitarra.
Guitarra.
Okay.
Wait, this is a R.
It's R. Yes.
Guitarra.
When you see P, it's not P, it's R.
So my name is spelled with this.
Yes.
Rebecca. Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You will write your name with this letter.
So this is a G. I have to remember for the
Yes,
next one.
yes, it's-
Guitarra.
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 Second level. Raketa.
Yeah. Great.
This could be Greek. Like it's exactly the same.
It's probably the words
No.
also from Greek, no?
No.
Like some,
Raketa, no, it means rocket though, no?
yes?
In Greek it means a racket, the tennis
okay.
racket.
We also have this words like raketka. In Russian it's raketka.
Okay.
Raketa, raketka.
Mo. Mo.
Okay.
How do I say this?
There are some letters you already know. Like try, so,
Man.
mon.
Mon.
Okay, good. Mon.
I was so close. Oh my God.
No, like, not. We will
Oh.
just need the first two letters. Yes. It's limon. Limon.
It's limon.
Yeah.
This
What is
limon. In
Yeah.
Spanish that means lime.
Yeah.
It's lime, like lemon.
Lemon. Yeah.
Limon.
Limon.
This is limon?
Yeah.
Ah, me gusta limon. I like lemon.
Okay.
Limon.
Limon.
And
So
backwards.
this letter is L. L. And this
9-inch nail symbol is.
it's E.
Okay.
Limon.
Limon.
Limon. Great.
Okay, wow.
You can choose. You can choose.
No, I think it's this,
I'm not sure.
this way.
This way. Правильно.
I don't know why I would not say oysters, but
Oysters. That's interesting. Do you recognize any letters? How about?
Like it looks like
Oh.
yes.
Oh.
Okay.
And it also actually sounds exactly like, almost exactly like in English.
Oh.
Oh.
And it corresponds with the game.
It what?
It's a game
It's a game?
on a field.
Football.
Yes, I really helped you. So now you know that this is
F.
Yeah.
yeah
Okay.
yeah this is U. So football. which is pronounced almost like
Football.
Yes,
Can we see it again,
football.
one?
We have the same pronunciation.
but they stress to O, like football.
Oh,
Like
okay.
this one is B, okay, L. Okay.
Oh, this looks nice. It's right. It's really a nice aesthetics.
Nice aesthetics. As well as what it symbolizes.
Oh, okay. The pronunciation is Yosh.
Правильно. Ёж. Это
Ёж?
ё, это ж. Ёж.
Yosh. Even
Yosh.
at the end you pronounce the j, not sh.
Something in between ж and sh, like ёж. It's not like sh and it's not ж, so ёж. Ёж. Okay, what is it? What is ёж?
Give me a hint. I have no idea.
A hen, a hen. It's an animal, a small one, likes milk, and makes loud noises
Oh,
when...
a mouse.
No, it's bigger, which has this like sharp needles.
Oh, hedgehog.
Yes,
Wow.
hedgehog is ёж.
Okay. Okay, this one has an E. I know E, right?
Great.
So, okay, I'm gonna try again.
It's chipsy.
Chips.
Yeah.
This is chi.
It's
Okay.
It's chi.
Chip. P.
P.
S. Why is this?
Like it's like a letter. Y.
But it's two letters.
No, it's one.
Oh my god.
Yeah, chipsy.
Chips.
Yeah, chipsy.
Does it mean chips?
Yeah.
I'm liking this, like lemon and chips. I'm kind of getting hungry, dude.
Oh, it didn't help me that I just learned some new, some new ones. Is it an X?
No.
Or,
Yeah. It's
and then this one is a vowel.
yeah. It's actually two sounds.
Echta,
It's yachta.
yachta, like a ya.
Yeah. Like
Okay,
yes,
yachta.
yeah. Yachta.
Is it a yacht?
Yeah. Yeah.
okay.
It's yachta.
Yatta, yachta,
Yeah.
yachta.
Also, this letter, yeah, it's like I,
Ah, yeah.
ich, yeah.
Yeah.
So good to know.
Яхта, парус, в этом мире только мы одни.
So, we would say betka.
No, almost.
Betke. No?
Ветка.
Vietke.
Ветка.
Yeah, so what looks like B, again, harder, softer, right? So V.
Okay.
Vietka.
And how do you like? Oh, so vodka is written with a B.
No, vodka is also with this B, but
with
in
this B.
Russian alphabet it's V.
V.
So
yeah,
vodka.
Vodka. Okay.
Ветка.
Ветка.
Yeah, your guess, what is it?
Ветка.
It's like tree related.
Ветка is tree related.
Vietka.
It's a branch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Yes.
it's hard.
It is.
Okay.
Yes.
Ветка.
Like, yeah, for real. I wouldn't guess.
You want to try the next level, the last.
The last, I feel like I'm prepared at this point.
Okay.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Are you sure?
I am super sure.
This is like a German word, like,
This is like a Russian-
25 letters.
Russian C3 level.
Wait, I really have to think about.
Take your time. I can even leave for 5 minutes.
Techno-communist.
Communist.
Okay, so this is the word for mom, evidently.
Oh, the hardest.
I like to challenge myself. Труднопроизносимо.
We have to separate it. Trudno произносимо.
Трудно произносимо.
Hold on, what? This one?
This is the.
The, okay.
Yeah.
Трудно,
Трудно произносимо.
трудно произносимо. What does it mean?
Hard to pronounce.
It definitely is.
Why you pronounce it so easily?
Because I know this word.
Or maybe you know other Russian words.
Maybe.
Я могу переключиться на русский, потому что на самом деле Аида знает русский язык Да? Ну, уже можно.
Да,
Все, вы уже поняли. Это был трюк на самом деле. Почему ты знаешь русский язык? Откуда ты вообще? Что это шпионаж у нас сегодня в этом видео? Сначала Марио, опять вон идет. Теперь ты.
А в Казахстане мы говорим, да, по-русски тоже. Это наш второй язык.
Это ответ на то, где еще говорят по-русски в мире. На самом деле довольно много стран, особенно в Центральной Азии, где русский второй или третий язык. И даже если сегодня его не учат в школе, то все равно вас поймут.
Do you want to build a sentence with this word? Maybe without труднопроизносимо, but hot coffee, ракета, фильм. You can like just make a sentence in English and I will try to translate it in Russian.
I saw a film about cat on a rocket drinking coffee.
Okay.
Very original.
Very good. Я видел фильм о коте на ракете, который пил кофе.
Again?
Спасибо. Again? Do you want to repeat it?
Yes.
Oh, good. Я видел фильм.
Я видел фильм
О коте на ракете.
О коте на ракете,
который пил кофе.
который пил кофе.
Good. Спасибо. Супер.
Спасибо.
Отлично.
Дорогие друзья, напишите в комментариях, как вы себя чувствуете после просмотра этого видео. И стал ли русский для вас все-таки немножко изи. Мы понимаем, что русский — это правда очень сложный язык. И вообще изучение языков — это, сложно. Мы стараемся делать это настолько просто для вас, насколько это возможно. А ты как себя чувствуешь?
Как одно большое ухо, потому что я целый день говорю на разных языках, слушаю разные языки.
И слушаешь очень-очень внимательно.
Как ухо.